Hey, this is Quinn at Kaizink with a quick improvement I've made to my email. It had been a big bug for a while, just how many emails were coming into my inbox and not having any organization for them. So what I had started doing was once I was done with them and felt like I didn't need the email anymore, I was just deleting them. But then I ran into some issues where I found that I did need to go back and reference that email. And so I would have to, ask for that email again or ask somebody else, hey, did you also receive this email? Can you forward it to me? So a lot of defects and overprocessing and excess transportation in that. So what I did is I created labels over here. And so as emails come in, I can just move them into their label if it's not something that needs addressed, and then it makes my inbox essentially a to-do list. So these are all still things that are in progress that I'm still working on. And then once I've completed what I'm working on with it, I will move it into its label. And then if any new emails come in that email chain, it will move it back into my inbox with that label on it so that I can see that something new has happened there. And that way, since I'm not deleting them, I can still search everything within my email. Thank you.